first.
Okay, hi, I'm Don from Midway Home Solutions. Welcome to our third annual High Desert Marines Car Show. We've got over 200 entries again this year. We got the young Marines here, they're helping out. We have the color guard here. We have Congressman Paul Cook here.
Well, I go to a lot of different events, and this one's very, very special. Obviously, you see the crowd out here, the number of people, but the theme, our veterans, our people that have served, and I'll tell you, in the greater Victorville area, the veterans, they turn out for this. People still care about that. So you're going to see a lot of patriotism, and you're going to see a lot of people that have served, been wounded, some that goes all the way back to the Korean War. Myself, I'm getting long in the tooth. I was probably from the Vietnam War. But this is a great event, and everyone that hasn't seen it, you're going to do it every year after year. Colonel Carrega from the base supplies the Marine Corps Color Guard every year, and it's a great thing, and you can see when that color guard comes down, the patriotism out there is just fantastic. And I want to tell Don Lager, we certainly appreciate using this parking lot here for our show, because without him we couldn't do it.
And if it wasn't for Tim Hille and his Marine helpers, we couldn't have this show.